Do you hear something? I hear amazing music. Yes, beautiful guitar. Why we can hear a sound when the people on video press the string. Don't confuse, let's start experiment. First experiment, we use ruler. When we push the ruler, it can create vibration. Second experiment, we use spring. We pull the string and we can see spring will back quickly to beginning position. The vibration happens when something moves back and forth quickly through the balance point. We are able to hear all kinds of sounds because of vibration. You can see the vibration causes things move and create a sound. When the string vibrates, they create a sound. Movement a string creates sound. Movement a string called vibration. When we throw stone to the water, the object back and forth quickly. Ripples are created around it, and we can see waves on that water. The ripples are water, the wave and created in the air by vibration of objects are called sound waves. Let's see visualize of wave.
Okay, let's visualize the wave. First, I will click the oscillation. The oscillation is going back and forth repeatedly between two positions or states. An oscillation can be a periodic motion that repeats itself in a regular cycle, such as a sine wave. The side-to-side swing of a pendulum, or the up and down motion of a spring with a wake, like our experiment earlier. An oscillating movement is around an equilibrium point or main value. It is also known as a periodic motions. And then next we will try to how to wave a pulse. Any pulse or moving distortion exhibits velocity, amplitude, and wavelength. Since it usually only has one crest, pulse does not have a frequency. Some pulse may consist of a few crests, thus giving them a shortly lived frequency. A pulse wave is sudden distortions or disturbance that travel through a material or medium. A pulse wave is a spatial non-periodic waveform that typically has one major crest. When accompanied by several meters of harmonic crest, it is called a wave packet. Actually, the pulse wave, we can look in the when we throw the stone in the water, will be create a pulse wave.
This is the wave equation. P equal to frequency times lambda. Example question. Bill counts 5 waves on a phone in 10 seconds. The distance between them is 80 centimeters. Five waves in 10 seconds. Distance between is 80 centimeters. How much the speed? Frequency equal to 5 divided by 10. Equal to 0.5 Hz. Speed equal to frequency times wavelength. Frequency is a measurement of how often something happens in a period of time. In science and technology, frequency is measured in Hz. This is different about low frequency, high frequency, and ultra high frequency with same amplitude and time. You can look the differentiation. How to determine frequency? The formula is F equal to N divided by T. Frequency, the cycle in a unit of time. Period, the time required for one cycle. Example question. A car is traveling at a constant speed and the tachometer reads 24 revolutions per minute. What is the frequency of the tire spinning? Measure in cycle. What is the period in seconds? The answer is F equal to N divided by T. N is 2400 cycles divided by 60 seconds. And frequency equal to 40 cycles divided second. The frequency of the tire spinning is 40 cycles per second, which can also be written as 40 Hz. To find the period from this, rearrange the equation that relates period and frequency. Frequency equal to 1 divided by T and period equal to 1 divided by frequency. T equal to 1 divided by 40 cycles per second and period equal to 0.025 seconds.